In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to share Outlook calendar with other users. First of all, go to upper left corner and from this menu, select this option of calendar. And under calendar, we need to select the calendar we wanna share. So I have this calendar. So to share it, we need to right click on it and then we'll get this option of sharing and permissions. Alternatively, you can go to the top ribbon and from here click on share. Then select the calendar you wanna share. So I wanna share this calendar. I can just select that. Then enter the email address you wanna share this calendar with. So I wanna share this calendar with this email address. I can just select that. And from here manage the permissions you wanna give this email address. If you want him to only see your calendar, then for that select the first option, which will only allow him to view your calendar. But in case you want to give him an access to edit your calendar, then you can go with the second option, which will be can edit, and then tap on share and your invitation will be sent to this email address. Once he accepts it, then he can edit or view your calendar. For some users, the share option doesn't appear on their calendar. So let's say I want to share this calendar, then I can just right click on it and you can see there is no share option. That's because this is different domain email account. So this is the gmail.com domain and Outlook will only allow you to share your calendars while having an Microsoft domain. So this is the Microsoft domain, which is outlook.com. That's why I'm able to see this option of sharing and permissions. If you go to top and click on share, then you can see the outlook.com domain as well. If you want to have this domain, then for that you have to create your account using Microsoft. Then only you'll be able to share your calendars using Outlook. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.